In the last video, we understood what is the meaning of place of a number and what is the value of a place. Now, in this video, we'll learn or we'll try to understand that how to read a number. That is, what is a number name and how to expand a number or number expansion. We can read any number or we can name any number only when we know how to expand it. That is, we should know the number expansion. So since the concept of, I hope that the concept of place of a number and the value of a place is clear now, therefore we can understand it very easily. Let me take an example. I'll start with an example of say I have a number, say 9. This is a number having a single digit. This is a number having a single digit. And since it has only one digit, therefore it means that it has only a units place. It has only a ones place in this number. So I'll write down all the places first. Ones here, tens here, hundreds here, thousands here, and 10,000 here. Its value is 1, its value is 10, its value is, like I'll write in this way, 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. 10 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1000, and 10 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 10,000. Now if we have only this digit or this number of a single digit, we'll put it here, 9. Let me take with some other color. 9. I'll do it now. I'm doing its expansion of the number. So put it at its place, that is ones place, 9, and therefore since it is at the ones place, we will multiply it by the value of the place, that is 1. Is it clear? Therefore it becomes 9. 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9. Suppose we have a number 82. So it is 2-digit number having 2 place, that is units place, and a tens place. This 2 will come at the ones place, will multiply it by its value of the place. Remember, this is the number expansion. I'm telling you how to expand the number. This is 88, sorry, this is 8, this is at the tens place, this will come at the tens place, will multiply it by the value of the place, and therefore it becomes 8 multiplied by 10 is 80, then plus 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. This give you 82. Okay, let me take one more example. This is 539. So 5, 3 and 9. Here we have 3 digits. This number is made up of 3 digits. That means it will have 3 place. 9 is at the units place, so write it here, I mean just below it, at the ones place. Just want to explain you. So this will come here, 9 multiplied by the value of the place. Then at the tens place, will come 3 multiplied by its value. Then at hundreds place will come 5 multiplied by the value of the place. This becomes 5 multiplied by 100 is 500 plus 3 multiplied by 10 is 30 plus 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. Therefore, how will you read this number? We'll read it 539. You read this number like this, 539. And as I told you in the previous video that we always group these together and then these thousands one together, and if we have lakh then lakhs together, and then we have if we have crores then crores together. It goes on like from thousand to lakhs, then lakhs to crores. Now, and why it is important, because sometimes you would have seen that few numbers are separated by comma, and why it is so I'll just explain shortly. So you will read this 539, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Suppose you have, let me take on some other screen here. So I'll quickly write all the places. We have ones whose value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Its value is 1, it's 10, it's 100, it's 1000, it is 10,000. Now let me take 2 examples more. The next number is say 6, 5, 4 and 3. 6, 5, 4, 3. How will you expand this number, and then how will you read this number, or what would be the name of this number? So 3 is at the units place. We'll write 3 here multiplied by its value. 4 here multiplied by its value. 5 here multiplied by its value. 6 here multiplied by its value. This will give you 6,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 3. Now, this you will read this number as 6,000. This is 6,543. 6,000. Why? Because it was here 500 540 right here 3. Okay, 6,543. Now suppose you have the number 7, 3, 2, 1 and 8. This time we have 5 digits number. So at the ones place will be 8 multiplied by its value. At the tens place will be 1 multiplied by its value. At the hundreds place will be 2 multiplied by its value. At the thousands place will be 3 multiplied by its value. At the 10,000 will be 7 multiplied by its value, that is 10,000, which is equal to 7 into 10,000 is 70,000. 7 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 70,000 plus 3 multiplied by 1000 is 1000 plus 2 multiplied by 100 is 200 plus 1 multiplied by 10 is 10 plus 8 multiplied by 1 is 8. Now, as I told you earlier that we group them together and we group them together. So now see how will you use it. Group them together and group them together. Add this. How much it will come? It will come 73,000. If you want to see, then see here. This is 70,000 and this is 3,000. Now when we add it up, 0, 0, 0, 3 and 7. This is 73,000. So this is 73,000. This is plus. Read it. Do it. So this is 200 plus 10 plus 8, or if I have to write it in this way, $218. If you add it, 200, then 10, then 8. If you add it, this will come 218. So this is 218. Now, how do you read this? You'll read this. This is separately, that is 73,000, and this one separately, that is 218. So you'll read it 73,000 280. So this is overall concept, like why you group them, the thousands place together and the hundreds, tens and ones all together, and then lakhs and 10 lakhs and so on. It's just to read the numbers like that. And we saw 4-digit number, example of 4-digits number and the 5-digits number, and this was the expansion, like this was a detailed expansion, and from the detailed expansion you can read the number or you can name the number.